General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, so Q3. Tomorrow, I don't think it's no news tomorrow. Durable goods. It's kind of a chill day. I'm kind of wondering if that news today affected the Fed watch in any way significantly. I seen some news today where Trump was at the building messing with them people about their money that they spending. Sentiment is still unchanged. On one hand, it's like if this don't change, then nothing else really matters. So PMI came in red. Now we at 62% chance of a rate cut for September 17th. Now, this don't mean anything because it's too far away. And we have NFP and CPI in between now and Fed fund rate. I know PCE is important too, but I don't care about PCE. I don't think the market cares about it either. Forex factoring. From here to here. Yeah. It's way too far ahead. No, we don't care. Let's go here for earnings. Never any good earnings on a Friday. No offense to any of these companies reporting on Friday. Sia is supposed to be good though. Shout out to Sia. Nothing that will impact the NASDAQ. Dollar on the day. I think the dollar retraced today. Okay. Now we got some action. These candles are beautiful. I like this color. But I digress. We remember yesterday I was saying how I wanted to come back and take the high of a candle. Not this candle, because we already done this. Just this candle here. That's all we need. People might be thinking super failure swing, but nah. It's a fair value gap right here. Let me do it Joe style. He would use a light gray. Up here, continuation lower. That's what I'm thinking. I used to do my fair value gaps like this too. Daily. FEG and lower. Let me look at this because that was a nice move on EU. EU be doing the thing. Let me add an alert here. Dixie and fair value gap. Okay. Let's go here. Okay. Today, nothing happened. This is where I wanted to go here. Plan's still the same. Not changing the plan just because today nothing happened. The only thing significant about today nothing happened is now this high and this low is like super important. This should leave here and then we should come back and see this low. So in this order, here first and then here lower. Weekly objective, I don't know no more because Google was supposed to do it. So Not even neither one of these. Just here and then lower. Tomorrow's Friday. We can't ask for the world. And I don't think it's going to be no crazy news. Trump has been kind of chill, making deals everywhere. All the news that's been kind of crazy has just been gossip news, not economy or nothing. Nothing happened today. No, there will be more days like this. Choppy PA. Price staying inside of range. Yep, that do remind me to study that. Hold on, let me write that down. Cool. Weekly chart. I still want higher. Tomorrow's Friday. We can't ask for it. Friday usually creates the wick. We're not going to just say it's going to create the wick, but that's what it usually does. We don't hold targets all day. Trying to get 1,000 ticks. All right, tomorrow Friday. Being that tomorrow is Friday, I'm not sure we're gonna hit weekly objective. No news or earnings. To drive price for a big move. Let's go to here on the daily. TradingView banned all my indicators. I had to remake them. It's all good though. TradingView, they be hating. Look at this. So left this range, broke. Now we're in this range. So tacky. The tacky is, what is, let me look at US 500. Go to the daily. Look at, no. This goes in the journal. Look at this. Look at US 500. Now look at NASDAQ. And pictures say 1,000 words, don't it? Just don't need to. Yeah, you can pull it up. Somebody might be like, I don't have a link. humanity. Okay, so first off, that's bullish SMT. Or you could say six sister. Let's go. Let's look at US 30. Okay, let's look at US 30. US 30 took the high. Man, I haven't looked at these in a long time. You could tell too. It's like you're like, all right, US 100. But M&Q looks more raggedy. It just looked raggedy because SPY, you can tell SPY actually is trying to go places. This is like ranging. SPY is like push, chill, push. SPY is really doing the thing. So first off, that's bullish SMT. Second off, SPY is outperforming. SPY is killing Nasdaq. Keep the target the same. No, why not go up? Best trade of the week was probably US 30. It looked the smoothest. Yep, it did too. I like to be locked in on Nasdaq. Because when it moved. And the way I seen SPY, it didn't make me think, oh, I should go trade SPY. It made me think, oh, I can still get my weekly objective, monthly TP. It's like the human nature greed side of things. Came here, boom. This candle was the candle to watch still. We even came back and respected it, looked like it here on the 4 hour. No, we did it. We got a flat bottom here too. This still looks like a key area for me. Like with this flat bottom. I set an alert here. Best possible price. Now I'm thinking sell to buy type vibes. Keeping the target the same. Still looking for higher prices. I want to buy retracements. Current price location is ideal to look for sell to buy setups. I think that's the best thing about studying ICT is you can explain price in a way where it tells a story in a way that where you can remember it and describing signatures and prices. So when you read your journal, like how I'm journaling now, it's like I'm learning in an organic way, which might be different from somebody who journal. Maybe, the EMA crossed over today. That'd be a crazy journal. It'd be profitable, but you know, different strokes for different folks. I know people that make a killing with the EMA. A retest of this level, I don't even think that's necessary. This is the high of the week. It's Thursday. Let's look at the weekly profile. Tuesday is the low. Is Monday high still untaken? Look like we took Monday high today, but we didn't do nothing with it. I don't even like this level no more. I mean, we would have to cross back through this level and then come back and then reuse it. So like that's how I would have to see it come back here and then go here. Friday we can have an inside day. I'm not tripping on Friday. Low hanging fruit targets would be this to buy. Ideal places to buy let me reset this because there's probably something up under here. Order block, propulsion block, fair swing liquidity here, inverse fair value gap here, flat bottom. Yeah, it's all kind of stuff. The best the best would be like PM low. PM low lines up with this. So set up this alert too. Alert name PM low. PM low. It looks like it used to be a breaker block level. It's crazy how these levels be lining up. All right, so boom, looking for buys. Session liquidity. It's fair value. Looking for higher prices on Friday. See if NQ will be the sixth sister. Okay. Looking for buys under session lows. Thinking NASDAQ is the sixth sister. And we can expect higher prices. Target is 23,471.00. Alert set at PM session low. Session liquidity. And hold breaker block key level. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.